Orange Line metro train in Pakistan's eastern Lahore city was built under the CPEC framework and is now being jointly operated by the Pakistani and Chinese companies. This project, which is benefiting the general masses a lot, is following all the internationally recognized safety protocols and procedures. Moreover, the Pakistani staff has now been well trained by the Chinese company to operate, maintain and manage their project independently.
Okasha, a 24-year-old electrical engineer, has been working on the project for the last 3 years. He started driving the train following a 6-month-long training course designed and taught by Chinese instructors.
I have learned a lot of things from my Chinese colleagues. They have taught me very well. They have taught me all the necessities regarding my train operation. The teachings from the Chinese very helpful for me to drive the train.
We were really not familiar of this project, a project of this kind, because like I have already said that this is the first ever modern rail transit system of the country. So the Chinese trainers, I cannot even forget that how much dedication, efforts and time they have consumed with us, they have spent on us to train us. We would like to thank the Chinese government for giving us this amazing project which is benefiting the poor people of Pakistan especially, because if you'll ask me, a person has to buy a ticket of around 40 rupees and he can travel from one end of the city to another end.
As an early harvest project of CPEC, the Orange Line project was jointly constructed by China Railway Group Corporation and China North Industries Corporation. According to the management department of the OOMT, the project has operated safely and stably for about 1,120 days since its opening up to the end of last year. About 130 million passengers have been served through the train network, with 323,000 train journeys covering a total distance of 40.89 million kilometers.